I'm Aaron Kaufman, and this is Shifting Gears.
This thing. Once we go up that thing, we're gonna go the whole time.
Oh yeah.
I'm looking up this first hill, and all I can think is, you shouldn't be able to drive anything up that. And we just rolled up to it. I said, you good? Yep. I was driving on throttle, and it said, if we slide 3 more feet, we're done. Turn, set this thing down. Holy crap.
Oh, big rock.
But there's a great big rock like the size of a Kia.
Well, we found it. Back up.
I'm thinking this is the end of the road. And that truck just keeps digging and pulling. Go up this thing, just chugging along. It was like Thomas the Train, but if it was a Scout, you know, I think I can.
Come on, Carl. You got it. Little tractor.
We climbed a hill that I didn't even think a car could go up.
Yeah.
That little truck, it totally kicks ass.
Yeah.
Awesome. Now we have to go down.
I can't see the drop in.
I can't either.
I can't see anything.
That's all right. We'll find it one way or another, won't we?
Yeah.
Get on through. Come on, car.
Front tires, hop off the ledge, grab the next ledge, take about a 2.5, 3 foot fall on it.
As long as we stay in boost, it does okay. Don't know where we're going, let's go anyway.
And then you're just committed, you gotta go. And so it's kind of like most driving. Look where I wanna go, and then go there.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, big dump, big dump.
The problem is here is there's giant rocks in the way.
Yeah.
And
One behind you.
we'll probably hear that a lot over the next few days.
Oh yeah.
Big hole. Whoa. Got another one on the other side.
Oh.
Is it so
Right.
That took a wrist out.
Holy.
So driving our Scout at King of the Hammers is interesting because everything on the truck was untested, unproven, and unadjusted.
It gonna hurt? Whoa.
Yeah. It hates these shocks.
The best shocks on planet Earth, when they're not set up yet, then they're just a stick with fluid inside of them.
All right, let's get the shocks off this truck.
Yeah, you ain't kidding.
I'm Aaron Kaufman, and this is Shifting Gears.